We at the Jaja Foundation would like to thank all our supporters and sponsors for making this holiday one of hope for so many Jamaicans. Because of your donations, we were able to deliver chairs, desks, smartboards, and musical instruments to Bryce Primary School, Manchester. We also completed our first surgical mission at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth and made major strides to keep our promise to the children of Mango Hall Basic School, Westmoreland. To our platinum sponsors, Taste of the Island Spice in Teaneck, New Jersey, Vincent Hosang Family Foundation, Sunsplash Restaurant and Juice Bar in Orange, New Jersey, Newark Beth Israel Medical Center, Trans-Carib Shipping, East Orange, New Jersey, and all our sponsors and supporters. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for helping us.
Jaja Foundation, Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.